Hi, and thank you for joining me today. My name is An Lee, and I work for the County of San Diego. We live in an increasingly digital world, and there are many times when you may not easily be able to leave your home, whether due to a pandemic, an injury, or just a busy schedule at home. These how-to videos have been created to equip you with resources for how to use different mobile applications. So, today I am going to share with you a great free resource called Breathe to Relax. Breathe to Relax is a portable stress management tool which provides detailed information on the effects of stress on the body and instructions and practice exercises to help users learn the stress management skill called diaphragmatic breathing. It can be downloaded on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Android device. So, let's get started.
Before we begin with the presentation, there are a few tips I wanted to go over with you guys. While we are going through this video, I encourage you to watch first and then follow along. Second, feel free to grab a pen or paper to take notes on the video. And third, please feel free to pause or rewind this video at any time if you need to follow the process at a slower pace. The first thing you will do is go to the App Store on your iOS or Android device. This will be called App Store. The Android device should look like this. The iOS App Store should look like this. Once you have opened up the App Store, you will press search and type in Breathe to Relax. Once the app pops up on your screen, you will install it onto your phone. Once you open up the app, you will see the screen on the left. Go ahead and select I accept. Next, the main page of the app will pop up and you can begin. This is the main page. There are a few components, but the two main ones are the Breathe button and the Learn button. To begin, select the Breathe button to start. Once you have selected the Breathe button, this menu will appear. You can determine how relaxed or stressed you are by using the red indicator in the middle. Once you have done so, you select Next, and the exercise will begin with inhale and then exhale. After the exercise is complete, the app will ask you again on how you are feeling. From the main menu, you can select the Learn button, and it will take you to another page that has 3 different types of learning that you can do. For example, selecting Read for biology of stress, it will redirect you to a page where you can read about the biology of stress. If you are a visual learner, there is an option that allows you to watch a video on the lesson. Go back to the main menu and click on Learn. Look on the bottom for the Watch tab and click the tab. Once you have done so, you can click on the Watch button to watch whichever lesson that is available. Remember, you would need an internet connection to watch the videos. Lastly, we have the Setup page and the Results page. So with the Setup page, you can change up certain things to your liking. For example, you select your Setup button, then the Setup page will appear. You can change the background of the app while you are breathing. If you do not like the forest scene, there are other scenes. So select Rainforest, then another page will appear, and from there you can pick scenes such as meadows, cosmos, beaches, flowers, or sunset. You can also change the number of cycles and length of your breathing. Okay, so to check your results on your status or how you are feeling, simply go back to the main menu and select the Results tab, and this page should pop up. From there, the results page will show you how you are doing with your breathing exercises, which will be indicated in the middle or anywhere on the charts. A few closing reminders. Breathe to Relax is an app that works around your schedule. You can do it whenever you want to, and how you want to do it is entirely up to you. There are a few resources you can read or watch before you do your breathing exercise. However you use this, I hope it helps you reduce your stress, manage your inner peace, and to help you relax.
Thank you for joining me today. Below this YouTube video in the descriptions you will find how to contact the County of San Diego if you have further questions on this specific training, and links to access our other YouTube video trainings. These videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health, living safely, and thriving. Thank you, and continue to live well, San Diego.